Azure DevOps is a complete continuous integration and continuous deployment platform designed for modern software development. It brings together all the essential tools that development teams need to build, test, and deploy applications efficiently. Think of it as a one-stop solution that helps teams collaborate seamlessly throughout the entire software development lifecycle, from initial planning to final deployment. Azure DevOps is a comprehensive suite of development tools and services designed for planning, developing, testing, and deploying applications. It's a cloud-based platform that connects developers, project managers, and stakeholders throughout the entire software lifecycle. This means everyone involved in creating software can work together in one unified environment, making collaboration smoother and more efficient. Azure DevOps consists of 5 core services that work together seamlessly. First, Azure Boards provides work tracking capabilities with Kanban boards, backlogs, and sprint planning tools. Second, Azure Repos offers Git repositories for version control and team collaboration. Third, Azure Pipelines delivers continuous integration and continuous deployment automation that works with any programming language or platform. And fourth, Azure Test Plans provides comprehensive manual and exploratory testing tools to ensure your applications work correctly. The fifth and final core service is Azure Artifacts. This service handles package management for popular package types including Maven, NPM, NuGet, and Python packages. It allows teams to share code across different projects and integrates seamlessly with continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines, making dependency management simple and efficient. Let's understand how a continuous integration and continuous deployment pipeline works. It's a 3-step automated workflow. First, developers commit their code changes to a repository. Next, the system automatically builds the application and runs tests to ensure everything works correctly. Finally, if all tests pass, the application is automatically deployed to the target environment. This automation eliminates manual errors and speeds up the entire software delivery process. Azure Pipelines is the heart of automation in Azure DevOps. Continuous integration automatically builds and tests your code whenever changes are pushed to the repository, catching errors early. Continuous deployment takes it further by automatically deploying applications to multiple environments, including Azure, Amazon Web Services, and on-premises servers. The best part is its multi-platform support, meaning it works with any programming language, platform, or cloud provider you choose. Azure pipelines are defined using YAML, which stands for yet another markup language. Here's a basic structure. The trigger section specifies which branch activates the pipeline, in this case the main branch. The pool section defines the virtual machine image to use for running the pipeline. Here we're using Ubuntu latest. Finally, the steps section contains the actual commands to execute, like echoing a simple message. This declarative approach makes pipelines easy to read, version control, and maintain. Let's look at a practical build pipeline example. The steps section begins with a task that sets up the net runtime, specifically version 8. Next, we run the .NET build command to compile the application. Finally, we execute .NET test to run all unit tests and verify the code works correctly. This automated sequence ensures every code change is built and tested consistently, maintaining high code quality throughout the development process. Azure DevOps offers 4 major benefits for development teams. Integration provides seamless connections with Azure services and third-party tools, creating a unified ecosystem. Scalability means the cloud-based infrastructure grows with your needs, handling projects of any size. Collaboration enables real-time teamwork across distributed teams, breaking down geographical barriers. And automation reduces manual work through intelligent workflows, letting teams focus on innovation rather than repetitive tasks. Azure DevOps transforms your development workflow with integrated tools for planning, building, testing, and deploying applications. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, these services work together to accelerate your software delivery, improve code quality, and enhance team collaboration. Start exploring Azure DevOps today and experience the power of modern continuous integration and continuous deployment practices in your projects.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.